Hey nerds! Today is the big day! Today is very much the big day, guys. Because it's the prehistoric update. Whoa! Okay, how do you get in Mesoterra, which is Dinoland, technically? You have to be a pet dinosaur. You have to be an archosaur, a type of archosaur. And using a pet, play as your pet potion. How you get prehistoric eggs is you go to Graham. Oh, the excavator needs some time to recharge for some reason. You'll go over here, and then you'll press hatch, and you'll be able to choose the prehistoric eggs that you'd want to hatch. And you'll get either one of the three Brachiosaurus and Triceratops or Pterodon. Pterodon. You know, I give up at this point. Pteranodon. There we go. I hope I pronounced that right. And they are absolutely adorable. Now, guys, you're gonna want to. Oh, not now. You're gonna want to level up your dinosaur, because in Serapia Forest there is a strange machine. Because in Serapia Forest there is a strange machine that you can use once your dinosaur is level 5.
I think to myself,
maybe the machine will let it grow into a real animal. Now, let's go into Mesoterra. Of course, it looks like Dinoland. The Dinoland you're all familiar with. And there is actually a shop here. Nesting necessities. Look at these writings on the wall. Ah yes, good old Dinoland. I remember when this place was called Dinoland. Long and tall. You have Triceratops backpack, raptor tail, T-Rex snout, raptor feet, pterodactyl wings. I like these. Alright, now we have the Mammoth Animal. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Jeez, dude. That is one big animal. And we have the gamer outfit. And we have the epoch outfit. Wow. This den is stunning. Oh my gosh. I love this den. I want it now. I wish it was in stores. You have a little slide here. It's a pretty small den, but it's a pretty epic den. And we have new alpha fossils. If you did not know, we have new alpha fossils. Let me show you. Here's the Alpha Explorer. We have Sludge Stone. We have this new Sludge Stone. It is pretty cool. I like it. But not as much as the Citron Geode. This gem looks so cool. And I actually traded for one earlier. Why did they have to do this? Look at this. It's a non-level penguin. This is a non-level. It looks like a level 5. What did they do to snowflake penguins? And level 5s are extra chunky. Oh my gosh. The prehistoric pet of yours isn't yet level 5. It needs to do some training before it's ready to grow up. How big do these dinosaurs get? That is my question. Oh boy. How big do they get? Alright, that'll be it. I'm sorry. Alright, goodbye.